Hello and welcome in the last part of the story, the fun they had. In the last part of the story, mother says to Margi, go to school. Go to school means here, go to your school room, which is next to her bedroom. Mother thinks that she should go to her study room, means school room, at fixed time. So it will be beneficial for the student if a student reads on regular hours. Now mother says, Margi, go to your school. Margi, school. Margi looked up, not at mama. Now said Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones is the name of Margi's mother. Now said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Time for going to school. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe. He said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means here very peacefully, calmly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went to the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was waiting there. Mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, 2 days holiday. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Now Margie went into her schoolroom. Mechanical teacher is on. Mechanical teacher is waiting. But what we will know now, the feelings of Margie in the schoolroom. What was the condition? The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert studies homework in the proper slot. So every day she had to put her homework in proper slot. It checked it. Margie did so with a sigh. It means not interested. She was thinking about the old schools they had. She read about, she learnt about old schools when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together. At the end of the day, they learned the same things so they could help one another in the homework and talk about it. She is thinking they really enjoyed a lot because there were many students in the same class, came together, returned home together, read together, helped each other. And the most important thing in the old school, and the teachers were people, human beings. Mechanical teacher was just flashing on the screen when we add the fraction 1 by half and 1 by 4. So Margie is not interested in teacher or her school. She is not enjoying. She hates her school. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. So she is thinking in the old days when children read in the schools, they had fun. What is the title of the story? The fun they had. She was thinking about the fun they had when her grandfather used to go. In this way, there is a comparison between the futuristic school, when it is the imagination of the writer. Ruskin Bond thinks that one day it may come, it may happen. Nowadays also, because of lockdown, you people are reading from home, but you are not enjoying, I know. When the school will open, when you will come, when you will go in the real classroom, and your teacher will start teaching, we will enjoy. In this way, what we see in this story, the story begins with Margie writing the diary about old book that Tommy had found. Margie was reminded of her grandfather, who had once talked about his grandfather who went to an actual school where the students were taught by human teachers. However, Margie and Tommy they live in the future world in 2000. Year is 2155, where education was completely computerized, where the education will be computerized 100%. They will not go to school, and they will have to study in their study room with a mechanical teacher, computer teacher, just like a robot programmed. It will be adjusted according to their level. Some faults will come, county inspector will come, he will fix the problem. Both Tommy and Margie wondered at the book. They do not read the paper book. They wondered as it were. They read books on the screen. They compare the screen. They compare the teacher. They compare their book. And Margie felt that mechanical teacher was boring. She disliked mechanical teacher and learning. She wondered how much fun it would be studying in a school, studying in a fun way with other children, that too from human teacher. It was really interesting. So the conclusion is that our school is the best, where students come and learn it in the classroom and human teacher is teaching. Thank you. That's all for today.